So you just got your Jowua Sunshades and you want to find out how to install them? Then you're in the right place. Let's go to the car and check it out. First we'll look at our sunroof sunshades, and then later on we'll go into the ultimate sunshade bundle with the windshield sunshades and the side window sunshades and everything that you need. So you either stick along through the full video, or you will find timestamps down below in the description where you can directly go to the different parts that you need. The sunshades come in this nice little bag. Inside you will find the clips and the plier for the installation, as well as two sunshades. In this case we have the dark matter ones, which you can see with the reflective lining on the inside, and we will show you how to install them now. So first let's look at how to install the clips. As you can see, they are all installed here already. The clips come with this nice little plier, and with this one it is easier to lift the roof a little bit so you can get the clips behind. Let's just install one clip for you guys one more time so you can see. So we're at the front right side right now. You can use the plier to kind of lift the cover here. That is completely safe and never led to a problem. And you can see the clip easily just clips inside there, and that is all that you need to do. You can further move and readjust the position. For the perfect position of the clips, you'll find a little graphic inside the packaging, and then I'll also put it on the screen right here. Alright, I should have the front one right here. As you can see, the doors are all closed, we're inside, but it's still super easy to just open this inside the car without any big issues, and just as easy it is to install this. So we have the clips ready in the right spots. You basically just click in the sunshade into the different clips and go from clip to clip, and with a little bit of precision, making sure that all the clips are connected, you already got the first sunshade ready. And now we go to the back one. Alright, let's do the back sunshade too. So again, we just unfold it here. Whoopa. And then for the back, we have this little gap here. So it's even easier to find out what's the front and the back. And just like in the front, we just align it with the clips on each side. During the installation process, you might see that there's certain gaps still standing out, but don't worry, this is actually just because you didn't properly align the sunshades well. In the middle we have some magnets, so here you need to make sure that they actually push up against each other, just like that. And if we go back now, you can see that the gaps are all closed and everything is super tight. Here in the middle you can see there is a magnet right here. So in the final step you make sure that all the magnets are aligned and everything is perfectly closed. And like that, you got your sunshade ready installed and you're protected from the heat. Like this, finally we get to the ultimate sunshade bundle and all the parts of it, which is the sunshades for the windshield, the sunshades for the side windows and every other window. So you can fully darken your car and get the ultimate privacy inside your car. Let's first start with the trunk. The trunk one is fairly simple. You basically just put it in here, you build some pressure and tuck like this, you got it fully fixed in there. Completely tight, just based on the pressure and the proper fitment of the sunshade, and very easy to install. Next we go to the front windows. The front windows are also very easy to install. You simply slide the sunshade here into the front. It kind of fits into these gaps between the window and the door. And then you just make sure that it clicks into all of these gaps. You adjust it a little bit, and just like that, you got the front window covered. This works exactly like this on both sides, of course. Alright, for the back row, basically the same. We slide it into the small side first, and then finally squeeze in the front. Whoop. And just like that, you got your back window covered too. And for the ultimate privacy, we even got the smallest holes covered. Just like that, no one can see what's going on inside. Next, we're doing the sunshade for the front windshield. As you can see, just like the other ones, it's black on the inside and reflective on the outside facing layer. So first we unfold it. After unfolding it, make sure that the reflective layer is facing outside and that you push it into the front of the windshield first. We have already pre-installed the clips, as you can see here. I'll put a picture up as for where to exactly install the clips, so you can just check it in the video here right now. Alright, so as I already said, we first push in the sunshade into the front of the windshield, and then we try and clip it into the pre-installed clips already. After you did that, you can kind of like push the sunshade a little bit into the position like you prefer. Make sure that like every area of the windshield is kind of covered. You can also adjust the clips a little bit if you want to like bring them into a little bit different position, and then finally we close the zipper, and like this our windshield is fully covered. That was the installation video. As you can see, we got the windshield fully covered now. We switched for some lighter parts in the back now so you can see me, but basically that's the whole installation video. The installation goes the same way no matter if you take the black or the white sunshades, and then of course for the windows on the sides we just have the black sunshade to ensure you have maximum privacy, for example when you go camping. We hope this helps. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us either through WhatsApp or X or Instagram, or you can find our email down below in the description. And we hope you have fun with your products, and we see you the next time. Bye bye.